How to join TikTok Creativity Program Beta. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can join TikTok's Creativity Program Beta in the easiest way possible. So to do this, basically, you're going to come over to tiktok.com/creators, and over there, you're going to see the Creativity Program Beta. Now, Creativity Program Beta is obviously a program that they created, which is a tool. So you're going to be able to collect rewards as you create and publish longer video content, okay? So it's a good way to have better rewards for TikTok. Now, the eligibility is you have to be in the United States. Any external United States account will not work. At least 18 years of age, have at least 10,000 followers, and have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Now, the way to join it is you're going to open up your TikTok menu button and then go into your settings, and obviously from there into the creator tools and then creator fund. And then when you click on switch, it's going to switch you to the creativity program beta, but you cannot switch back to creator fund. Okay, you're going to stay in creativity program beta, so keep idea of that. So yeah, basically once you have done that, you can also scan this QR code off of their website to get into this. So just maximize your attention, expand your growth by the creativity program. You can earn up to 20 times more that you got on creator fund. Obviously, you can film up to 10 minutes of content, upload videos up to 30 minutes long, easily edit them in the TikTok app, etc. And it's pretty incredible. Now, obviously, the rewards are calculated over 1,000 qualified views. So yeah, that's how you're going to join the TikTok creativity program. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.